Hello, financial freedom seekers. Welcome back to our channel where we decode the mysteries of money-making. Good juju, positivity, karma, whatever you call it, we all want to attract the good things in our lives. Here's everything you need to know about attracting and keeping good juju. What is juju? Juju is a spiritual term originating in Africa. It refers to the spiritual energies surrounding everything, from people to charms to inanimate objects. Practitioners of folk magic use juju to create their spells and protect themselves from harm. Is juju black magic? Our idea of juju comes from voodoo traditions and hoodoo magic. Many assume that anything voodoo is black magic or evil, but it is not. Voodoo is a religion that evolved from the West African religions, which came to the US during the horrific slave trade. Christians of the era derided anything different as black magic or evil. But the truth is, the practice is just different. It is based on magic, as juju traditionally gets attached to charms, spells, and objects. But magic isn't harmful or evil. Some people fear it because they don't understand it, and some people hate it because their religions forbid anything that challenges their doctrine. Good juju versus bad juju. Juju itself is neither good nor bad, it's just energy. However, that energy typically has either positive or negative associations. When juju is associated with positive things, it's good, but when it's related to negative dark energies, it's bad. What does having good juju mean? Having good juju means you're generally surrounded by positive good energy. The positive energy impacts every aspect of your life. Others may say you're lucky because, to them, it looks like everything comes easy to you, and you generally live a happy life. But it's not luck. It's a lifestyle of embracing the positive, letting go of the negative, and building a supply of good juju through actions and deeds. How to attract good juju? The good news is people can change their juju. Those with bad juju can flip the switch, shaking off the negative and attracting the positive. Those with neutral juju can build a supply of good juju to enhance their life. Here are 9 simple ways to attract more good juju into your life. Introspection. It starts with introspection. Before you can attract good juju, you need to examine yourself down to your deepest, darkest core. You need to determine what type of juju you're currently attracting and why. Engage in shadow work and face your true self. Examine your actions, how you treat others and yourself. Discover your flaws and make a promise to change your ways. Gratitude. We create good juju when we embrace thankfulness and gratitude, while we create bad juju when we act entitled to the world's bounties. Pause and give thanks for all the good you have in your life, especially those you take for granted daily. It could be a beloved pet, a faithful friend, the food on your table, a job, anything you feel blessed to have. Showing appreciation for the things we already have is vital for attracting more. Positivity. Good juju is positive energy. You need to be it to attract it. Maintaining a positive outlook when the world seems to want to tear us down is tough, but it's critical to changing your life. Try to find the bright side of every circumstance, regardless of how challenging it is. Look at the cup as half full rather than half empty. Changing your outlook is a great way to attract more positive energy. Honor your ancestors. West African traditional practices include ancestral worship, based on the belief that our ancestors' spirits can help guide us on our journey. When we honor them, the spirits surround us in the form of protective energy, which can inject us with good juju to get through our day. Good deeds. Good juju is attracted to good deeds, much like karma. The more positivity you put into the world through action and deed, the more will return to you. Attract good juju by doing good things for your neighbors, strangers, and the world. Hold a door for someone, help someone to their car, volunteer to help people in need, or foster an injured animal. The better you put into the world, the better juju will return to you. Nurture nature. Ancient West African religions celebrated the gifts of the natural world. The earth is a living being which gives people gifts of food and water. To attract good juju, you must nourish the earth spirit. Plant a tree, grow a vegetable garden, and surround yourself with indoor plants. You'll cultivate good juju along with your garden. Practice self-care. Attracting good juju when you're exhausted and stressed out is tough. You must practice self-care so that you are open to receiving good juju when it comes. Meditate, practice yoga, take a relaxing bath, and ensure you get a good night's sleep. Nourish your body with healthy foods. The more relaxed you are, the more you can open yourself up to accepting good juju into your life. Show kindness. Kindness goes a long way in developing good juju. Each kind act creates a small amount of positive energy, so the more you spread kindness, the more you fill your bank of good juju. Embrace kindness wherever you go. Treat everyone around you with dignity and respect. Show people that there's still good left in humanity. Refrain from arguing, getting angry, lashing out with negative emotions, and become a shining example of grace and kindness. The kinder you are, the more people will follow. You'll be astonished at how impactful small, simple acts of kindness can be over time. You'll see your friends and community soon follow suit, and you'll all fill your lives with good juju. Use the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that we must simply ask the universe for what we want, and it will provide. Of course, it's not as simple as asking. You must want it down to the very depths of your soul. The same goes for good juju. If you genuinely want to be surrounded by positive energy, you must show your desire in every action. You must ask the universe to show you kindness and positivity by returning that kindness threefold into the world. You will attract good juju if you ask the universe for it and show the universe you deserve it. All the good juju products. Good juju represents happiness, positivity, and great things. These representations make it a perfect phrase for people offering products and services designed with wellness in mind. Numerous companies and individual sellers seek to capitalize on the term good juju by selling drinks, herbs, supplements, skincare products, therapies, and more. Remember that the product name is just marketing. Just because something is called good juju doesn't mean that using it will attract good juju into your life. Consider these products if you like them or believe in the creator, but don't buy in just for the name. Good juju versus karma. Though juju seems similar to karma, it's different in one key way. Karma is just the energy of your actions reflected back to you. You can build good karma with kindness and good deeds alone. Juju refers to all types of energy. It can be the energy of your ancestors, your actions, or your desires. You can also inject juju into objects to create charms or spells. Karma can't be stored in that way. Embrace juju for a happy life. A life full of good juju is within reach. You can be happier, healthier, and more in tune with the natural world. All you have to do is embrace the good juju that surrounds you. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment below and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 777.